What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a special project I've been waiting to do since I purchased the mini Jeep. I've been wanting to install a trailer hitch on this thing so bad. When I first did my research on these things and bought it, I didn't even think about doing a trailer hitch. But now that I got a yard and a trailer, I've been wanting to use it. So today we're going to be putting that trailer hitch on. I'm going to show you how. Alright, so I got everything laid out here for you guys to take a peek at. So obviously you're going to need a trailer hitch. This is a universal garden tractor trailer hitch. I'll leave a description down below for you guys. I have 3/4 inch bolts with the locking nuts. Obviously the socket to fit over these and a wrench. You're going to need a drill also. You guys are going to need a Dremel. Depending on what unit you guys have, I had to Dremel out a small section of body to get the hitch to fit flush. So I went ahead and did that already and removed my spare. Alright, so what you're going to want to do on these trailer hitches is you're going to want to line it up right with the sprocket in the back. So you're going to want the center point of the trailer hitch to be right about here. That'll ease stress on both and make it pull equally. Alright, so we're going to measure this out. Again, line it up center, and you're going to want to butt these up to the back of this bar here. This is a Coolster Series 2, so I'm not sure if every other Jeep has these, but I'm going to go ahead and mark the holes where I want to drill at, just with a drill bit, just kind of get the general area of where I'm wanting to drill, and then we'll go ahead and drill. Alright, of course, safety first, put your safety glasses on. I did pre-drill a pilot hole. I just didn't want to show you guys that because it's kind of boring. Alright, after you drill your 2 holes, it should look something like that. This is a hollow tube, so you should punch through twice. Again, I don't know if it's like this on all models, but on mine, this is how it is. So now comes the easy step where we just bolt her on. So we're going to line this bad boy up. Put the bolt through. We have a nut. Sorry if I'm blocking the shot, guys. Got the other one. Grab the tools and we'll tighten it up. Alright. So yes, I know this is way overkill, but this is what I got to work with. So we're going to grab our other wrench, we're going to put it up top. We're not going to fully cinch these down, we're just going to kind of put them in place for right now, make sure everything's all lined up properly. Make sure everything's straight. Get over the top of that other nut. You guys, that is solid. That is rock solid. And I didn't even tighten it down yet. Wow. So I cinched everything down. And guys, check that out. We have a freaking trailer hitch on here now. Rock solid. Anybody can do this. It is simple. Very simple. And no, I won't leave you guys hanging without seeing a trailer on here. So this would be turning radius. And the other way. That's just a normal standard garden tractor trailer. Works out well. Also, If you guys could do me a favor, please like and subscribe as always. And that'll do it for this video. We'll catch you on the next one.